secure electronic voting. Okay. In this concept, we are going to do the project. Okay. There are three modules are there. One is user, another is admin, okay, and another one person is boot manager. Okay, these three will play a role with the secure voting. Okay. Um, okay. When we go to user, okay, we are using Cassandra database. Okay, we have to start the Cassandra database. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that there is a command. Okay, to view the command that is CSQH. Okay, and we are running the project over there. Okay, when we go to the project, we will be having user. New user should get registered. Okay. I create a username. Create a new user from Sarana. Okay. That user has we have to log into the new user. Okay. User profile will be there. We have to go to view user card. Okay. View voter card will be there. This is voter card. Okay. We have to use some address. Okay. And for image, you have to take photo. For security reasons, now we are not showing any photo. Okay. We have some separate images. Okay. From that, we select view of the image. Okay. We have to submit it. Okay. And we go to view your card. Details will be there. If you want, you can delete that one. Okay. Status is not approved. Okay. And if you go to phone, the mail ID, get OTP. Okay. OTP sent to your email. Okay. Go to that email. You are using a send grid. Okay. Send OTP. OTP is 523028. Okay. As of now, we can use this one. Okay. 523028. Because what happens now, we are not yet having the water card. So it is showing this alert. Okay. We have to go to admin. Okay. In admin, the username password is admin. Okay. Admin. So we are logging in. Okay. And voter card. In voter card, what are the new users are there? It is there. They can mention address. Okay. And they can do approve. Okay. Approve means it will go into block card. It will be there. If you want to block any person's card, if you found that the person Sarma is a illegal person, okay, using this card, you can block it over there. Okay. So that they cannot use. Okay. Like that. Okay. And here again we are going to Sarma. Sarma. getting very minor. Now you need to go to some show that it is approved. If you want to delete and re-upload from lens scale, something like that, you need to use you need to delete this one. Okay, we can delete this one. Okay. Now we go to code. Okay. Now we go to OTP. Okay. 498 498 okay. Okay. OTP. See that it is verified. Okay. And the person, the MLA or some other person who is standing there will get there, can click there and catch the link. Okay. That's it. Okay. Again, if you are clicking in, okay, so you show that you will already captured the link. Okay. Like that, voter card also only one time you can apply. Okay. Then sign out. Okay. See their whole details. If you go there, you can see two details. Okay. First row and second row. Okay, these are the memory addresses. Okay, of the particular phone ID and download ID internet. Okay, and when we are going to boot manager, new boot manager, we can get registered over there. Okay, if you want, we can register over there, or else I have the boot manager. Over here, we can log in. Okay, and after that, we want to count. We count it in count. Okay, and then display the count as 2% are voted. Okay, like this, so many persons are there, it will segregate and vote. Okay, who has been like that. Okay, admin, another one role is there, nominee. Okay, nominee. Okay, here we can put, okay, some person like proxy, other is yes, other is okay, somewhere, and we can browse. This image. Okay, some other image is there, something like that. For the review, posting German name. Okay, price, okay, PPC, something. Okay, you don't want to mention any particular party names. Okay, that I said as okay. Now many details will be displayed over here. If you want to, you can disapprove or block the person. It is auto upload. It is because it is done by the admin. If they want to, they can block this person. Okay, or else you can delete the some. Okay, then we are going to side out this one. Okay, like this only the transaction will happen. All the data will be recorded in the blockchain database called Cassandra. Okay, here we have a feature to query the databases. Okay, like this, and show this one. Okay, the phone details we can verify. Okay, like that here is the table of the cell details. Okay, if you want to use this one, we can put. Okay, okay. So that the result 2 will be updated over here. Okay. Okay. With other blockchain databases, Cassandra will store in the blockchain backend. Okay. Integrated with this addresses. Okay. But we can query on this. Okay. That's all about the part.